Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Zakir, on an individual level, we can do dawah and we can call people towards truth and patience. But on a collective level, as a Muslim, what best we can do at this time of crisis when we are being criticized for the bomb blasts and other terrorist activities? Thank you.
Well, that was the question that individually we do dawah, it's a fard. Collectively we do, but now seeing the situation where Muslims are being criticized for bomb blasts, what should we do? See, we should, alhamdulillah, propagate the teachings of Allah and His Rasul. One thing we should realize, that Quran clearly states in Surah Ma'idah chapter number 5 verse number 32, that if anyone kills any other human being, whether it be a Muslim or non-Muslim, unless it be for murder or for creating mischief in the land, creating corruption in the land, it is as though he has killed the whole of humanity. And if anyone saves any other human being, it is as though he has saved the whole of nation. So here we realize that killing any innocent human being in Islam is haram. So we as Muslims, it is our duty to tell to the world, to propagate the teachings of the Quran, that killing any innocent human being, whether Muslim or non-Muslim, is haram. That's what the Quran says. And there may be certain Muslims who may have the wrong intentions or may be indoctrinated in the wrong, who may think that fine, that some people who may be brainwashed by certain people, that if we do these things we go to Jannah. That whatever wrong has taken place, we as Muslims, if we have to retaliate, we have to retaliate according to the Quran and Sunnah. We can be. So in Islam, whether it be the 11th September that took place in New York, we realize that the Muslims, they get swayed. So in these times of crisis, we have to propagate the teachings of Quran and Sunnah, that killing innocent people is haram. Where there is a war taking place in Palestine, where the people are being killed, at that time, if they retaliate against the army, that's a different case, which we as Muslims support it. Suppose the Israeli government is attacking Palestine, and hundreds of people are being killed every day, thousands are being killed, and then if we retaliate against the army there, that's a different case. But if something is happening there in Palestine, and if we do something here, kill innocent people, it's haram in Islam. So those people are responsible for attacking a